Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class for today. All right, how are you, everyone? Okay, so I hope everybody doing fine and teacher is doing okay as well. All right, so what day is it today, everyone? All right, so now look at the whiteboard. Today is Monday, June 7, 2021. All right, so for the first session on Monday, what we're going to study? All right, we're going to study Treehouse 3. And now, please prepare your Treehouse 3 book and then open your book on page 112. All right, so now let's start. Okay, here we go, everyone. So page 112, we're going to continue our Unit 9, the Candy Factory. All right, so today we will get the candy. All right, get the candy. So before we get the candy, let's review first. All right, because teacher want to know how much you remember from last week. Okay, so now let's open your book on page 106, 107. All right, here we go. So can you tell me what are 3 things that we have to do in order to have Monty? Here we go, everyone. Look at the story box. Get the clothes, make the candy, meet the Candy King. All right, so 3 things. So did you know how to use the machine already, everyone? Did you know how to use the machine already? Yes, we know already how to use the machine. All right, so what about the clothes? Did you know that the machine is special, that you can put the clothes and then it makes candy? Yes, we know too. All right, and today let's get back to our page 112. Okay, today we get the candy. All right, because last week we put the clothes into the machine already. All right, so now we will get the candy. All right, so look at this page again. Teacher want to ask you 2 questions. All right, 1, 2. Okay, all right, so the first question, what is Monty doing? What is Monty doing? Where is Monty? Here, right? Okay, so what is Monty doing? He gets the what, everyone? Look at the box over here. It's a candy. All right, so he gets the candy. All right, correct. And question number 2, how to use the machine that makes candy. All right, how to use the machine that makes candy, everyone? Where is the machine that makes candy? Here. All right, so how to use that machine? Did you remember last week, everyone, how to use the machine to make the candy? Did you remember? All right, so now teacher will show you again. Here we go, everyone. So this is our special machine. All right, this machine is really special because it can make candy by putting clothes into the machine and then it will produces the candy. All right, so how to use this machine? So first we have to, all right, turn on. All right, turn on the machine. Okay, so this is turn on the machine. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is to turn on the machine. All right, and after that we have to push the button. All right, push the button, and after that we have to, what is this, everyone? What we have to do next? Yes, pull the lever. All right, pull the lever using your hand. All right, pull the lever, and after that, can you guess, everyone, what next? Okay, what we're going to do next is here. All right, this one is turn the handle. All right, turn the handle or turn the wheel. All right, turn the handle. Okay, so after we turn the handle, what we should do next? Okay, we turn off, alright? We turn off the machine, okay? So this is how to use the machine. When you do this, you can use the machine and you put the clothes into the machine. Here, you will get the candy, alright? You will get the candy, okay? So here we already know how to use the machine. Now it's time to get the candies, alright? So go back to your book on page, again, 112. So today you're going to get the candy. So teacher will let you listen to the track, trace and say, alright? Now, students, please listen to the track here and you have to trace and say, alright? So you have to do three things. First, listen, trace and say, alright? Trace the line here near the kangaroo and near the candy, alright? Are you ready? Okay, so now let's start.
Listen and trace. Wow! Look! We made the candy in the factory. Now, let's get the candy. Then we can bring it to the Candy King. Can you see the kangaroo? Put your pencil near the kangaroo. Trace the lines. Say the word kangaroo. Good. Now, do you see the candy? Trace the other lines. Put your pencil near the candy. Ready? Do it. Trace the lines. Now say the word king. Great job!
Alright everyone, so after you listen to the track, did you trace and did you say? Okay, so I hope you all trace and say, but now teacher would like to tell you again. So, can you tell me how to get the candy? How everyone? Okay, so you can get the candy by putting your pencil near kangaroo, alright? Where is kangaroo? Over here, okay? So put your pencil over here, trace the line, alright? Trace the line and say kangaroo, okay? And next, do you see candy? Okay, so put your pencil near candies and trace the line, alright? And trace the line and say the word candy, okay? Candy, alright? Okay everyone, so now we get the candy on this today, alright? So it's the end of our first session for Monday. Teacher would like to say goodbye and see you at the second session.